Hello, this is a quick video on how to install the cane pad from Crutchies on your T-handle or Fritz handle walking cane. If you take the pad out of the packaging, you'll notice on one side is a Crutchies label. On the other side is a sticky, rubbery fabric. It's very important that this side goes on the handle of the cane. The easiest way to install our pad is line up the pad where the round notch matches where the shaft of the cane is, and if you lay it out, you can see this is how it's going to go over. Move it down several inches, wrap the pad around the cane, secure one side with Velcro, come to the other side where the Crutchies label is, and secure it as well. Now, if the label gets in your way at all, you can always cut that off. It's not mandatory to keep the label on, but if you see, it's as simple as that. The label is on the pad and it's ready to use.